Hello viewers, welcome to Cooking Vegan. In today's video we will be doing a one pot meal, that is a khichdi with dal and rice. So this is a very healthy version with vegetables, dal and rice, and it's a single pot meal that you can easily do it at home. For this I have taken split green gram. You can take the amount that is required for your family, and raw rice. Both are equal amounts I have taken, split green gram and raw rice. Put them into a bowl, add some water and soak them for around 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we will get ready all the things required for this khichdi. We will chop all the vegetables that are required. Here I have carrots, beans, peas, onions and cauliflower that have been chopped. Now I am going to make the masala. I have taken a chutney grinder and added a small bunch of coriander leaves, so just a handful of it. To this I will be adding some garlic pods, about 2 or 3. And then next 2 small pieces of ginger I have added. And the required amount of green chilies, depending on the how spicy you want it, you can add the green chilies. Now we will grind this all into a fine paste. Next I have taken a kadai and I am adding oil to it. Once the oil is hot, add a single bay leaf. Then add some garam masalas like cinnamon stick, cloves and then star anise, and saute them in oil till you get a good smell. So they are all sauteed in oil. Next I am adding about half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once the cumin seeds splutter, you will have to add finely chopped onions. So saute the onions in the oil along with the garam masala pieces. Let the onions get softened and then you can add all the vegetables. I have added some finely chopped carrots. Next I am adding some beans finely chopped. Then about a small handful of peas, green peas. And finally just a quarter cup of cauliflower. So saute this all very well. Add some turmeric powder to this vegetable mixture. Mix it once again and add the required amount of salt for this dish. So this is not only for the vegetables, it includes the rice also. So add the correct amount of salt. Mix it well again. And then now we are going to add the paste that we have blended. The coriander, ginger, garlic and green chilies. Now this soaked and green gram and rice mixture we have, isn't it? We need to add all the vegetables to this. Add the required amount of water. If the amount of dal and rice that you have taken is 1 cup, then you will have to add 3 times or 4 times the water depending on the consistency you require. And all you have to do is pressure cook this mixture. Once that is done, your khichdi is ready. So this is a really healthy dish, friends, with vegetables, dal and rice, and it is a single pot meal that you can easily do at home. So do try it with papad or pickle or curd. I'm sure you'll enjoy this recipe. See you in the next video, friends. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Thank you.